In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a portobello mushroom steak. Those are the ingredients that I'm using and I'm working with on this recipe. Not too many, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's take all of the ingredients, combine them in a bowl, give it a quick whisk, and that is going to be a marinade for the portobello mushroom. So we're just going to take the portobello mushroom, put it in the marinade, get both sides of it soaked up, and then I like flipping the portobello mushroom upside down and spooning some of that marinade over the top, and then let it sit for about 5 minutes. So this portobello mushroom has been sitting in this marinade for about 5 minutes. At this time, it's time to sear the mushroom, and we're gonna sear it for about 5 minutes on each side. All right, and so there we have it. That's the portobello steak mushroom. You can see that there's not many ingredients. It's super simple to make, and it's quick to make. You can't ask for a much better recipe than that. Now, flavor-wise, it's really good. Using portobello mushrooms and making them into a steak is one of my more favorite ways of enjoying the portobello mushroom, and as well as having it as a steak alternative. The mushroom really soaks up whatever you're putting in it. So you're gonna get the smokiness for the flavor. You're gonna get some of the hints of garlic coming through. You're gonna get a little bit of saltiness, not overwhelming, but a little bit of saltiness in there just to kind of help. And the texture of the mushroom is really good as well, as long as you sear it properly, because that's gonna give it a little bit of a crispiness on the outside, but it's gonna also keep it tender and juicy on the inside. And so there's an aspect of where the texture is reminiscent of having a steak, but to me, you're gonna know that you're having mushroom, and I'm okay with that. Sometimes when you're enjoying these vegan meat alternatives, you wanna know that you're eating a mushroom, or you're having beets, or you're having potato, or any of those fantastic vegetables and other ingredients that you can be working with. Sometimes you want to hide what you're eating, right? Because you're just going for something different. So this recipe is absolutely fantastic. I've had it numerous times before, so I can guarantee you that I will use this recipe over and over again, and I will certainly enjoy this in my home quite frequently, and I hope you all do as well, because I'm your friend with food benefits, and I'm going to give you some delicious recipes coming up again real soon.